back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my buffalo chicken wings. So first you want to wash your chicken. Make sure you wash them really well. Make sure your counter is clean too. So all I'm going to do is get some a pan with foil on it and some oil, cooking oil, doesn't really matter, olive oil, doesn't matter. And you just want to lay it on here like so. And then I'm just going to sprinkle some salt on it. Okay, so after you do that, I preheated the oven to 425. So I'm just waiting for that to beep. And while we're waiting for that, we're gonna make the buffalo sauce. Okay, so we're gonna make the sauce now, and you need red hot wings. I got buffalo Texas Pete hot sauce. And then you already know Worcestershire sauce. And then 2 tablespoons of butter on a medium to low heat. So you want to put this butter in. You want 1/4 cup of red hot buffalo sauce. You could do 2, doesn't matter. And then 1/4 cup of hot sauce. Ooh, it's gonna be spicy. I like my food spicy. And then you want 4 drops of Worcestershire sauce. Okay. And then you want this butter to melt. So give it about like 2 minutes. And this recipe is really simple. Like, all you gotta do is make the sauce. You could bake or fry your chicken. I'm gonna bake my chicken. And okay, so I let the chicken cook for 20 minutes. So now I'm put the sauce on it. We're gonna flip the chicken over. Be careful because yes, it is hotty. Okay, don't be stupid like me and use my freaking fingertips. My fingertips about to fall off, but hey. Flip them over. Add some more. Okay, so my chicken is finally done, and now I'm just gonna pour the sauce that I just made onto the chicken, and we're gonna let this chicken sit for a little while because it is extremely hot for now. So this is all you do. And for the dipping sauce, I have this chunky blue cheese that I got from Aldi's, and when I tell you this stuff is good, this stuff is bomb. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video. And I hope you guys make these buffalo wings. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. One is glitter and one is just plain. Got those for Christmas. See, I have all these perfumes and lotions. I do have a video